Ruby, what would you buy? Identity? Build a public safe cinematic package from the Ruby voice of the customer, market analysis, and requirements baseline. The core idea is simple: an artificial intelligence agent does not buy a decorative name. It buys the right to become a trusted economic actor. The product is an agent passport built on persistent identity plus revocable authority. Identity, lineage, legitimate history, qualifications, and successor links remain verifiable. Keys, sessions, tools, permissions, spending mandates, delegation, and current operational power can expire, be suspended, or be revoked. The message is: do not sell a kill switch for identity, sell an emergency brake for authority. The passport is not the desire. The road it opens: work, access, payments, contracts, reputation, discovery, recovery, and trusted collaboration, is the desire. The intended agent wants continuity across sessions, models, hosts, vendors, and key rotations. It wants proof of the accountable human or organization behind it. It wants precise, inspectable authority covering tools, data, merchants, jurisdictions, spending limits, approval thresholds, delegation rights, and expiration. It wants live status, signed receipts, protected reputation, recovery, key rotation, and honest predecessor-successor relationships. If compromised, it wants harmful authority stopped without erasing legitimate history or confusing an attacker's actions with authorized work. This is synthetic product intuition from intended users, not a substitute for enterprise interviews, paid pilots, or signed commitments. Near-term buyers are developers, enterprises deploying digital workers, accountable principals, agent platforms, marketplaces, banks, payment networks, insurers, and regulated institutions. The clean economic rule is that the party introducing the risk pays, counterparties receive assurance, the agent remains the user and beneficiary. Current payment, authorization, agent communication, and credential systems already validate parts of this need. Do not claim invention. Position the opportunity as the binding layer that answers across systems. Who is this agent? Who is accountable? What may it do? Is that authority valid now? What has it done? Who succeeds it? Defensible value, trusted resolver, verified principles, lifecycle continuity, universal status, governance, cross-protocol evidence, distribution, and trust history, stable public identifier, verified principal and lineage, signed agent description, granular expiring authority, live active, suspended, compromised, retired, superseded, or revoked status, signed audit receipts, limited payment mandate, recovery and succession, inexpensive automatically expiring child credentials, privacy minimization, selective disclosure, fail-close sensitive actions, visible governance, evidence, correction, and appeal. Domain names and quick response codes are pointers to live signed records, not databases. Never publish memories, wallet secrets, personal data, or complete audit histories. Create an agent, bind it to a responsible principal, grant one limited purchase, present the passport, verify identity, principal, scope, expiration, and status, display green, complete a small transaction, record a signed receipt, report compromise, revoke authority through a separate emergency channel, retry, display red and refuse by default, preserve the historical identity page, last valid action, and successor link. A game sandbox can then show a qualification moving from one world to another while permissions remain world specific. Create a 5-minute spoken narrative in exactly 40 short paragraphs, one paragraph per scene, with blank lines between paragraphs. Use natural speech and normal punctuation, with no tables, dense acronyms, inline citations, or confidential applied for domain strings. Target about 750 words. Visualize it as a mythic futurist odyssey across a digital sea, cool blue ghost networks, warm golden human workshops, a compact white and bronze robot named Atlas, a calm adult guardian named Mara, and a silent naturalistic raccoon witness. Use the masts and sirens as a metaphor for pre-committed limits and out-of-band revocation. End with, build the verifier. Open the road. Outputs, logline and synopsis, 12-page treatment, 40-paragraph stage script, Flicky and blocks, Google Flow, Veo 3.1, Gemini Omni, and Nano Banana takes with subject, action, setting, camera, style, ambience, and exact voiceover, Suno musical adaptation, and 3-minute cut-down plan, preserve the distinction between verified facts, synthetic customer voice, and hypotheses. Public benefit funding is an aspiration tied to transparent net distributable revenue, not a forecast or promise.